Sharp0056 Reversing and replacing tatami mats. Regarding the management of tatami mats in rental properties, the question often arises as to whether the costs for reversing or replacing tatami mats, especially during tenant turnover at the end of a lease, should be borne by the landlord or the tenant. What do you think? The correct answer is that it is the landlord's responsibility. In conclusion, it is generally considered that the cost of reversing and replacing tatami mats should be borne by the landlord. The rationale is as follows. 1. For property maintenance. Reversing and replacing tatami mats is part of maintenance activities to keep the property in good condition. Rental properties have an obligation to provide an attractive and comfortable living environment for the next tenants. Therefore, the responsibility for maintaining the property's condition optimally is mainly considered to fall on the landlord. 2. Wear and tear from normal use. The deterioration of tatami mats results from normal use and is not due to the tenant's intent or negligence. In law and in general rental agreements, tenants are not obligated to cover the wear and tear from normal use or age-related deterioration. These are considered the landlord's responsibility. 3. Securing the next tenant. Renewing the tatami mats is part of a strategy to secure the next tenant early when the property is put back on the market. Maintaining or improving the quality of the property directly benefits the landlord. For these reasons, it is considered appropriate for the landlord to bear the costs of reversing and replacing tatami mats. Hence, these costs should be covered by the landlord's responsibility.
Here are the key points following the series of steps in rental real estate. Moving forward, I intend to explain the necessary procedures, daily life information, and relevant laws concerning rental properties in a way that is easy to understand for foreigners residing in Japan. Since I will also touch upon Japanese domestic laws, if you find this information helpful, please click the like button and the subscribe button. It motivates and encourages me. I look forward to your support.